Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Scienceonomy classes. Here we will study science from class 6th to 10th and other competitive examinations like RTET, CTET, second grade. If you like the video, then hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Hello students, myself Pradeep Joshi welcomes you all to our YouTube channel Scienceonomy classes. Here we will study about science. First of all, we will start from class 10th of RBSE board. The syllabus of science is divided into 7 parts. The first part is biology, which covers 17 marks, and the part of biology contains 4 chapters. First chapter is food and human health. It covers 4 marks. Next chapter is human system. It covers 6 marks. Next chapter is genetics, which covers 4 marks. And the last chapter of biology is immunity and blood group. This chapter covers 3 marks. In this way, we have seen the biology part of our syllabus and it covers 17 marks. Now moving towards the second part of our syllabus, and the second part is chemistry. Chemistry covers 16 marks. Here 4 chapters are there in this part. First chapter is chemistry in everyday life. This chapter covers 4 marks. Next chapter is chemical reaction and catalyst. This chapter covers 3 marks. Next chapter is atomic theory, periodic classification and properties of elements. This chapter covers 5 marks. And the last chapter of chemistry is carbon and its compound. This chapter covers 4 marks. In this way, we have seen the syllabus of chemistry in 10th class. Now, moving towards the third part of our syllabus, the third part is physics. It covers 15 marks and there are 3 chapters in physics. First chapter is light, second is electric current, third is work, power and energy. And all the 3 chapters are of same weightage, 5 marks each. In this way, physics covers 15 marks. Now moving towards the fourth part, that is natural resources. This part covers 12 marks and there are 3 chapters in this part. The first chapter is main natural resources. This chapter covers 4 marks. Next chapter is waste and its management. This chapter covers 3 marks. Next chapter is economic importance of plants and animals. This chapter covers 5 marks. In this way, we have seen the fourth part of our syllabus. Now moving towards the fifth part. Fifth part is Earth and space. This part covers about 12 marks and there are 4 chapters in this part. First is structure of earth, second is origin of universe. Third is search of life in space. And fourth is Indian scientist. In this chapter we will study about the biography and achievements of our scientist. In this part, each and every chapter consists of 3 marks each. In this way we can say that total 12 marks are covered in this earth and space topic. Now moving towards the sixth part. Sixth part is environment, and it consists of 5 marks. And there is only one chapter in this part, biodiversity and its conservation. Now the last part is road safety and education. It is of 3 marks. In RBSc board, all the subjects contains the last road safety education, because to avoid the accident this is a very important topic, so that the children properly understand how to follow the traffic rules and regulation. In this way, today's class we have seen the syllabus of science. From the next classes we will start one by one chapters, and in such a way that all the students can improve, or we will try to make our classes so effectively that it is beneficial for each and every student. Thank you students. Have a nice day.